Hey guys, today we have a Lenovo IdeaPad y560p 4397. It's also known as y560a, y560, g560, g575. Same exact name, just different processor, different memory. Yeah, again, we are at powerjackrepair.org. We repair laptops for $100 and we're based out of Chicago. If you want, you could stop by, we fix it in an hour. Let me show you how to take the system apart in order to replace this piece right here, the power jack. Usually it's pushed in. In this case it just doesn't work. So here, let me get a better angle. Yeah, if you like the video, leave a like. So here, first you want to remove the battery, like that, and unscrew all the screws you can see on the bottom here. So we start with the small screw. Too tight anyways here. Like that, like that, like that, like that. Alright, so let's go from this side. That. Alright, now we go and unscrew all the other screws here, here, there, and then there, and over here. Okay, so here you want to push the CD-ROM out like that. And here we got 3 more screws right here, fat ones, which you want to unscrew. You want to remove this guy right here. And it goes 1, 2, 3, like that. Now one right here, one right there, one right here, one right here. Set that aside. Now remove that. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, then 4, and 5. Like that. Remove this cover right here. Remove that cover right there. Okay. The jack is on this side, so you don't really have to do much here. Maybe you want to remove those 2 cables, but I will see in a second. Somebody already removed the hard drive, so you need to remove the hard drive by pulling it this way. Alright, so yeah. Okay, one screw right there. Alrighty. Well, this one seems to be alright. So let's flip it over. Remove this cover right here, but don't pull on it because there's a cable in the back there that holds it down. So what you want to do is you want to flip the keyboard over this way. Remove this tape right here. Lift up the cable. Remove it like that. Now what you want to do is you want to remove this piece right here, and this piece is gonna come out here. You want to flip this guy over and disconnect this cable right here. Pull out the hinge cover. Now what you want to do is you want to remove this cable like that. Disconnect. Well, I want to see how bad the jack is. So here you want to disconnect this guy, and you want to disconnect this guy right here. Okay. So it's on the glue. So careful taking the cable out of it. So once you take the cable out, alright, so That cable is disconnected. Here you want to disconnect this cable right there. So like that. Like that. Here you want to disconnect this guy. Like that. And like that. And like that. Okay. So we do need to disconnect one of the cables here. And it's going to be a black wire. This black wire, you want to push it through. Push it through like that. Okay. Like that. One, two, three here. And 4 right there. Right, there should be a cable underneath here, right here. Okay. And now you got to the jack. Jack is right there. You want to remove this pin right here. Right, and here is basically your problem, right here. You see this cable? It's disconnected in the back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a new jack here. Let's see if the bottom one gonna get disconnected as well. Yeah, so here. So now what you wanna do is you wanna strip this this heat shrink here. Strange. Here you want to cut the old wiring off because it got some oxidation on it. And here you got, wow, 3 wires, wow. 3 wires stuck together. So like that, like that. Strip this guy, strip that guy, a little bit more, like that, and strip this one, like that. So we got 3 wires that are stripped, like that. And now I want to strip them even more because I want it to be kind of like a forever fix. Okay. Okay. Right, so here we got the replacement part. What I want to do is I want to put all the cables through, secure them on that side, like that, and just solder this end right here. Basically put some solder through it, okay? Alright, the chemicals I put on, it's the rubber, liquid rubber. It's gonna take about 5 minutes to dry, so just fast forward 5 minutes and pick up from there, right? Because this stuff needs to be dry before I'm gonna put it back onto the system, because it smells really bad. It's really toxic and smells really bad. So. Alright, so I'm just setting it to dry. So the jack is drying right now, so again, 5 minutes, fast forward a little bit forward, and I'm gonna show you how to put it all back together. But so far you got the point how to take it apart, how to replace the jack. Nothing special, you know. So, but if you want us to do it, it's $100. That includes labor, parts, and return shipping back your way. So, yeah. Okay, I will be back in 5 minutes. Thanks. Alright guys, so the chemicals, I mean it should probably still stink bad, but I can't let the video go on for forever, so we secure the it's pretty bad. I mean, stinks so bad. Anyways, here, so we're putting the jack in place. Alright. Like that, like that, like that. And you want to make sure the cable is not stretched out in any way, so it's should have plenty of room here. Like that, okay? So now you want to put the cover back on top. There is one more screw that secures it in place. And what you want to do is you want to put some tape on top of whatever you already taped there. Like that, okay? Make sure the hole aligns. Basically the hole should align with the jack. And now you want to put the top cover back. So don't forget this cable right here. Okay. And we are putting it like that, like that. Like that and like that. Okay, so here. Looks good. Right, so here you would see rubber pads like that. We need one more rubber pad right there. Okay. So here we're putting the wiring back in place. Like that, like that, like that, like that. And like that, and like that, and like that. Okay. Now you want to put the screw right here. Alright. Right here. Now you want to connect this right here. Okay, like that. Now right here. Like that, close that. Another one like that. Yeah. From Bali, from important. Yeah. Big portal right now, you can go back about 25 minutes, it should be done. All right. The client of this laptop actually called to say when he wants to expect it back. So here. Like that. And right, so okay, like that. Now everything is peachy here, it's all connected. Wonderful. Now you want to connect this cable. Okay. Alright, the problem here is this cable has some damages. You know, because the cable has some damages right there, I probably won't even be connecting it because there might be some sort of a short, and this is for the lights on the top right there. So yeah, you see how the pins messed up, so it's better not to even connect this piece to the board. So you want to disconnect it here, pull it out right here. Okay. Now you want to close it, put some tape on it, put the cable on top of it. Okay. I mean, the best thing is to replace this cable, but again, it's really no big deal. I mean, it doesn't really do much except displaying some lights on the front. Okay. Like that. Alright. So here we connect it here. Close that. And we got two more screws right there to put in. Right here. Another one. Another one right there. So close that. And now you want to secure those. Now you want to secure all those four right here. But before you're gonna do that, you need to secure those three. One, two, and three. All right, so here we need four right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One, 2, okay, wonderful. I'll put one right there. Like that. Like that. That's that. Okay. Alright, so here's one. And here's one more. And one right here. And one right here. Okay, wonderful. Now you want to push this black cable through, connect it here, like that, like that, like that. Okay, set it like that. Alrighty, now let's. I didn't want to put the battery in yet. I want to test it to make sure it's all working fine without the battery. Alright, so here we got cable. Let's test to make sure it's all good. And the cable is good. Let's plug it in here. Alright, then let's power it up. And there we got the power. The battery is out, so there's no tricks. And no hard drive inside. That's the reason why this thing is blinking right there. So thanks so much for watching. Leave a like and send it to us if you want us to fix it. Thank you.